Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today, we will be opening this mysterious box. Wonder what could be inside. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so let's open this package. Oh my gosh, gotta slice it open. Gotta be careful. Always be careful with knives. Bam. It's just newspaper. Got newspaper. Alright. Let's get that out the way. Oh, what is this? Oops. What the heck? It's like so packed in here. What the heck? Put that one to the side. Move the box out the way. Oh. Wonder what this could be. I think it says Johan right there. It is a Johan kit. Would you look at that? Socks and Martin Boss Cuda. Nice. Maybe I'll do an unboxing on this thing. Should I give you guys a sneak peek? We'll open the box a little bit. Ooh, there's bubble wrap on it. You'll have to stay tuned for this one for sure. And this thing, what do you think this is? This is my dad's. He wanted this one. Let's see if we can cut open. Oh my goodness. Oh my. This is a dealer promo of a... What is this, Dad?
It's a Chevette. I think it's a 1978 Chevette.
A 1978 Chevette. Look at that. Nice brown.
We all drove them. Or we knew someone who did.
Bam. This looks like 132 scale. It looks pretty small.
No, it's 124 scale. They're just small cars.
Oh.
So maybe we'll stick a 305 and tub it out. It's a two-door Chevette, man. Those are cool.
Yeah. Burnout. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching this short video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And comment down below if you want me to unbox this thing. Because pretty sure you should. Because it's pretty cool. Anyways, thank you and bye.